I would now like to invite Dr. Prasanna Ganpatrao Deshmukh sir for the keynote address. Dr. Prasanna Ganpatrao Deshmukh is Principal and Head, KT College and Research Center, Bhor Academic Council, member Savitribai Phule University. Working as a renowned teacher, academician, leader, researcher, and administrator, keen in maintaining quality in higher education in all the concerned areas. Presently working as the principal and head research center at NAC accredited A grade college with Anand Rao Thopte College, Bhor, since the last 25 years. Very warm welcome. Proud to have you, Dr. Prasanna Deshmukh, sir.
Thank you very much. It's my great pleasure to be a part of this conference. Since morning, we are listening to the eminent speakers of this conference. And really, I would like to thank and I would like to congratulate Dr. Prakash Divakaran for organizing such a good international virtual conference. And since morning, we have listened 3 speakers' views on different topics, and this conference is really going to be a great success. Without taking much of time, I would like to sum up and would like to concentrate some of the main points of this conference, some of the main areas in which I would like to share my views. Friends, this Global Research Foundation Forum has organized this conference on World Innovative Research International Conference in 5 areas: management, science, engineering, technology, and humanities. And the focus has been given on sustainable business growth, challenges, measures, and solutions in global scenario. As we all know that we are all passing through a very different phase. And as has been rightly told by earlier speakers, that sustainability is very important. And we are thinking of business growth. Now at this juncture, business instead of growing is having some problem in continuing their business, in sustaining their business. So that sustainability of business is really a great problem nowadays. And therefore, it has been said there are great challenges. Now, why these great challenges are there? Because these great challenges are there because of external threat. Which external threat is there? We all know that we are passing through the corona phase. This corona phase has actually hampered the progress of the whole world, as we are noticing it, that while passing through and while living our own individual life, we have to take care. The transformation has taken place rightly, that each and every person has to take care of his health, and therefore likewise the industries are also suffering. Dr. Prakash Divakaran has used the word business rightly, because this business word includes everything: trade, manufacturing, industry, everything. So it has hampered strongly, and we have to sustain it is really a challenge, because due to this external threat of coronavirus, we have to sustain ourselves, and basically we have to see that our business actually runs systematically. It should not stop. That is our main problem. Now, why this external threat or corona has hampered us? We all know the reasons. We know the effect also, because the challenges are great in front of us. As a human being, we are facing lot many challenges. The lockdown is the main challenge, as we all know. International trade, transportation has hampered, marketing chain has disturbed. We all know that human to human contact is difficult nowadays, and therefore we have to organize such type of virtual conferences. Earlier we used to meet on different platforms at different countries, at different places, but now due to this corona pandemic, we have to have such type of virtual conferences. So one-to-one contact actually has held up, marketing link has disturbed, then government's funds, we all know they are actually concentrating on health, because all health measures are given priority. The slowdown of industries, we all know, is really a great problem, but we have to overcome it. The trade has actually hampered. As we all know, the support system, insurance, transport, so all these are actually, we are suffering because of all these things. So these 10, 11 points which I have just now mentioned has really changed our life and has really changed the business scenario. And therefore, we have to concentrate on these challenges and we have to come out with certain solutions. As has been rightly said by earlier speakers, that we have to see that certain robots will take place, communication technology will be there, online transaction will improve, then technological advances will be there, so that we can overcome these challenges. We all know that this problem of coronavirus will not remain forever, but such type of threats are there and they are going to come by different ways. We, as a human being, we have to get prepared to face these challenges. There are solutions, as has been said rightly, that there are solutions and we have to come out with those solutions without actually disturbing our mental peace, because it is very important. The country has to sustain, the world has to sustain, because sustainability is an important word. It's a buzzword nowadays, because whatever, wherever we are, we have to sustain ourselves. We have to keep our health properly. We have to use technology. We have to adopt certain new things. We have to see the health care system should be properly maintained. The industry should function. We have to concentrate on all these things and we have to overcome these problems. So friends, without taking much of time, in a sum up way, I would like to say that business should be sustained. The growth should also be there. There are challenges. We have to overcome it. The solutions are there. We have to concentrate on it. And we have to see that this type of pandemic, we will overcome it in a systematic way. Without taking much of your time, and as I have to complete it in a short way due to my preoccupied work, I would like to thank the organizers for inviting me. Thank you very much, sir.